Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change font size on laptop HP, Acer, Lenovo, Dell. First, access settings from the Start menu. There, you will open the accessibility section. After that, click on text size. Then, using the slider bar, adjust the desired font size. Click on Apply to see the change. If you wish, return to normal size using the slider bar and apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.